Hello and welcome back to Regular Expressions on freeCodeCamp. This is Match Whitespace. The challenges so far have covered matching letters of the alphabet and numbers. You can also match the white space or spaces between letters. You can search for white space using \s, which is a lowercase s. This pattern not only matches white space, but also carriage return, tab, form feed, and new line characters. You can think of it as similar to the character class \r, \t, \f, \n, and \v. So with \s, it captures all white space. Like it was saying, this here would be carriage returns, tabs, form feeds, new line characters. So we have our example, let white space be assigned the string white space everywhere. Then our regex, we're going to use that character class they gave us, \s. We want global because we want all white space. And then we should be able to pass in our string here, white space, and then the regex, and it should return the white space here and here. So if we come over here, this has changed the regex count whitespace to look for multiple whitespace characters in a string. So this is the string. It should be able to count that whitespace, and we can do that by doing that \s and then global, so it returns is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Should be 4. So if we go down here and console log result, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and then 5. Okay, so we should be able to run tests now and pass that lesson. Important thing we learned is, again, to be able to match all the white space, we did that \s and gave it that global flag. That's pretty much this lesson. I'll see you on the next one.